Have you ever given so much of yourself to others that you feel completely empty inside? Are you exhausted by the fake smiles, the endless expectations, and the constant drama? When life pushes you to the edge, do not break down. Quietly disappear for a while and do this. Being surrounded by the wrong people is the fastest way to drain your soul. You are exhausted because you are trying to be everything for everyone except yourself. Not everyone deserves access to you. Your energy is a privilege, not a right. Sometimes the heaviest burden we carry is the weight of other people's opinions. A fake circle of friends will make you feel more lonely than sitting completely alone. You cannot heal in the same environment that constantly makes you sick. Stop setting yourself on fire just to keep toxic people warm. When you feel completely drained, it is your soul telling you to retreat. There is immense power in quietly packing your energy and disappearing for a while. You do not need to announce your departure. The right move is a silent move. Disconnect to reconnect. Turn off the noise of the world to hear your own inner voice. Sometimes you have to isolate yourself to figure out who you truly are without their influence. Let them wonder where you are. Your location and your peace of mind are none of their business. Becoming unreachable is often the only way to save your sanity. A season of isolation is a season of elevation. Embrace the shadows. While you are in the shadows, take out the trash, cut off fake friends, toxic habits, and negative thoughts. A shrinking circle is not a loss. It is a profound purification process. You lose absolutely nothing when you lose people who do not genuinely care about you. Clear your space. A cluttered environment breeds a chaotic mind. Stop explaining your boundaries. Just silently enforce them. If they do not add value to your life, they do not deserve a seat at your table. The less baggage you carry from the past, the faster you can run towards your future. Saying no to others is finally saying yes to yourself. Work hard in silence. Let your success be your only noise. Do not show them your process. Show them your undeniable results. The best version of you is built when no one is watching. Use your isolation to read, learn, train, and master your craft. A seed makes no sound as it grows. Be the seed. You are not missing out on anything. They are missing out on your evolution. Every master was once a beginner who spent countless hours practicing in the dark. Upgrade your mindset. Upgrade your life. Silence is the laboratory of greatness. In isolation, you cannot run from your thoughts. You must face them. Healing is not pretty. It is a lonely, exhausting battle, but it is entirely yours. Forgive yourself for the times you accepted less than you deserved. Do not let the pain of the past dictate the script of your future. You must unlearn the toxic survival habits you picked up in bad environments. Tears shed in silence are the rain that washes away your deepest wounds. Stop identifying with your trauma. You are the survivor, not the victim. When you conquer your own mind, you have conquered the world. Whosoever is delighted in solitude is either a wild beast or a god. I care not what others think of what I do, but I care very much about what I think of what I do. He who is brave is free. The greatest thing in the world is to know how to belong to oneself. If you seek tranquility, do less. To find yourself, think for yourself. Silence is a source of great strength. A man can be himself only so long as he is alone. Detachment is not that you own nothing, but that nothing owns you. Stop caring about people's opinions. They change every day. When you expect nothing, you can never be disappointed. Separate your ego from the situation. Observe without absorbing. You are not responsible for the version of you that exists in their mind. Let them misjudge you. Your truth does not need their validation to be real. When they try to trigger your anger, give them a blank stare. Take your power back. True power is sitting back and watching things play out with zero emotional reaction. There is a profound peace in being unbothered and unnoticed. Stop trying to remain relevant to people who are irrelevant to your future. The less you are seen, the more your presence will be valued when you return. Fading into the background allows you to see everything clearly. You do not need to be a part of every conversation or every event. The fear of missing out is a trap. The joy of missing out is freedom. Let them forget you. You are building a version of yourself they have never met. Privacy is power. What people do not know, they cannot destroy. Disappear as a broken glass. Return as an unbreakable diamond. When you finally step back into the light, let your success blind them. You will shock everyone who counted you out when you were in the dark. A comeback is always stronger than a setback. Prepare for your reign. Walk into the room and let your aura announce that the master has returned. You are no longer the person who begged for a seat at the table. You own the building. They will try to reconnect, but your access is no longer free. The price is respect. Your absence taught them your value. Your return will command their respect. You have survived the storm. The calm is now your permanent residence. When you no longer fear being alone, you hold the ultimate power over your life. Peace of mind is your highest wealth. Guard it fiercely. Let the world rush and panic. You walk at the pace of peace. You are the master of your mind, the architect of your soul. Breathe in your freedom. Exhale the past. You are truly unbreakable now. Stay strong. Stay silent. Stay wise. Subscribe for more life lessons.